Hey JavaScripters, it's Bruce here with a continuation of our discussion of promises. So let's take a look at an example here that is available in the GitHub repo for promises. That's actually in module 6 and 7. And what we're looking at here are three promises. See, these three promises here. So I have a constant called grade assignment 1. That's the name of the variable. And I'm setting it equal to a new promise that has a resolve and reject parameters. And it calls this these are the parameters for the arrow function, right? And these ones always resolve. There is no reject, just so you know. So they resolve and they send the message assignment 1 graded. And the next one is grade assignment 2, and it's a new promise with a resolve and reject. And again, it just resolves right now. And that's okay. You can have promises that just resolve and don't have a rejection, okay? And I have one for assignment 3. Now, line 13 says promise.all, and that's something built into JavaScript, right? It's promise.all. It's saying this array of promises, right? Grade assignment 1, that's this constant, that promise. Grade assignment 2 and 3, right? All those, when they've all completed, then I'm going to get those messages back that they sent back. Resolve, 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 right? Assignment 1 graded, assignment 2 graded, and assignment 3 graded. And what I want you to do when you get those is just log out to the console now those messages. And they come back as an array, okay? So I'm just going to comment out this code down here because we're going to do that next. And I'm going to, this is tied actually with an HTML page. So let me just go find it. This is, let's see, real world promises. So there's the HTML. I'm just going to open it up, bring up, not that, I'm going to bring up the console. And you can see here that I got an array of messages back. That's each promise executed and resolving and sending a message back. So imagine that you had a series of operations that you wanted to spawn off and do. And once they've all been completed, then and only then do you want to do something, all right? So I think a lot of things are going off in your heads right now because I can see the smoke above each and every one of your heads, okay? Tall people and the short people and the medium height people. I see the smoke, okay? So that's promises.all. That's really neat, okay? So just imagine you're writing your great app one day and you need to maybe make a call to, I don't know, this API, that API, and another API. And when they're all done, then I want you to go and do something. Okay, got it? All right, good. All right. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to comment out the promise all, and I'm going to have promise.race. So do all these things. Grade assignment 1, grade assignment 2, grade assignment 3, right? Execute all those promises, right? And whichever one finishes first, then tell me here which one finishes first, right? So if I go back here, assignment 1 graded came back first, right? That's because it's the first one to be called and there's no, operations. I could try to get sneaky and try to do a for loop maybe, but a for loop, yeah, let's just do it. I know this is going to be dumb. Let I equals 0, I less than, I don't know, we'll do some big ass number, I plus plus, and then we'll perform like an accumulator. We'll just say let, I don't know, total, right, equals 0, and then in here we'll just say total plus plus equals I, right? So if I run this now, right, let's see which one comes back. Well, assignment 1 still came back first. So that was kind of a dumb example. I don't know why it's still coming back first, but it is, all right? It just is. Really? Even if I just try to make that like that? Uh-oh, I broke it. Oh, it still tries to run the promises, right? That's interesting. So guess what? Promises.race. Assignment 1, assignment 2, assignment 3. Now, I suspected, actually, that's just way too big. So that's dumb, okay? Let me, oh, look at that. I totally killed Chrome, okay? That's my fault. So that's not real. I don't know. I don't know why that one, to be honest with you, why promise 1 is still finishing first. Let me just go back here. Whoops. So assignment 1 was graded. So again, this is probably a poor example, but just know that it would probably be like an asynchronous type of operation. I was trying to maybe get an API or do something else, all right? So that's it. And look, if I comment out, right, that particular promise and I take it out of the race, right, I take it out of here, right, it's going to show me that, you know, promise 2 came in first, all right? So that's race. I don't know why you'd probably use race, but you could probably figure something out. This is something you'd use all the time. This promise, promise.all, okay? All the time, all right? Especially when you're calling multiple things and you need for all of them to come together and do something once they're all done, all right? Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching me totally flub the race thing, but I wasn't prepared to do that, and I go off script too much, all right? Thanks for watching. Take care. Ask questions on Slack. Bye.